everyone. This is Math Made Easy, a project created by Jason, Achu, Axel, and Sora with the main intention of helping people that does IGCSE math, AS math, IBSL, and IBHL math on their mathematical problems. So we chose this issue because lots of people kept asking us math help, but we wanted a way for the commonly or frequently asked questions to be posted on public so they can access it. Everyone can access it worldwide.
After coming up with our initial ideas and reasons why, we talked to Mr. Aitchison, who is currently our math teacher, and he helped us understand why some students need help in math, for example. And we also watched Mr. Willis's YouTube videos to get an idea on how to help other students understand the mathematical concepts that they struggle with. And we found it to not be sufficient enough for a typical IB students who might not have enough time to message the teacher and just wants to get it over with, so they will want to message a student instead. And we also had other problems when we came up with our idea. One problem was that some people who wanted to slack off wanted us to do their questions for them, which is unacceptable. So we had to clarify our CAS project with a lot of people, and some wanted it to be more anonymous. Our initial idea was that people would post their questions straight onto our Facebook page, and apparently some people thought it made them feel a bit insecure.
With regards to the previous problem, is what I said in the previous page. First of all, we're really responsive with a 100% response rate and a 3-minute response time, so we can answer the questions in precision and accuracy, both of them, to combat the problem of people asking us just questions for and doing their homework. Essentially, what we do is we answer or give examples or a side way of answering the question, not directly but indirectly, so teaching them. Also, to fix the privacy problem, as what I said earlier, what we have done is that we have asked people to send us email through Facebook Messenger directly on the website, and we post them anonymously, so that would be much better, not posting straight onto the website.
The goal of Math Made Easy was to help aid the mathematical learning of our peers and of students younger to us. We also want to help them extend their mathematical learning when the time comes necessary for it, and we also try to provide for a large range of courses such as IGCSE, AS, and IBSL studies and higher maths. In terms of roles, we all took on roles as teachers, all of us creating solutions, writing solutions up, and sharing them on the wall of our Facebook page, which is one of the things we organized to help aid our peers with the mathematical resources they needed and any answers they needed. In terms of problems, we faced very few, and there wasn't much to be said about that. All right.
So during my time in Math Made Easy, to answer the question what happened, we answered lots of different questions in varying chapters and levels. Most of them were on the level of IB standard level, and this made us feel quite accomplished as we saw positive feedback from our peers, our friends, and we saw their grades increasing as well. So that clearly showed us that what we were doing was making a difference. The good things was the positive feedback and just us being able to cope with the constant influx of questions, especially around the exam or test times. A problem we could have encountered but we avoided was a large amount of questions coming the weekend before any major test, but we managed to avoid this by any problems by clearly allocating who does what question and thus having a fast response time and never leaving a question unanswered.
Our learning outcomes were distributed well by all of these things, such as demonstrating areas for growth, initiate, plan, commitment, perseverance, and skill and recognize the benefits of working collaboratively. All of these were met, in my opinion, especially our overall goal, which is to give back to the community. That's what we aim to do by teaching mathematics to year 10s, year 11s, and year 12s, and of course our year right now. So with our goals met, we learned lots of different things and skills, such as computing skills and how to deliver a video better, such as these things. All of these are videos that I've made, including our website, which our Facebook website, that and our YouTube that I create normally because I love making videos. So with that, I would not do this project with anyone else. I would stick it to the 4 people: myself, Achu, Akshil, and Sodai. And any further projects planned, we aim to teach the younger years or delegate the roles to year 10s, year 11s, potential year 12s that can hand over and take over, that we can hand over and for them to take over the roles for the future.